It looks like we got here just in time.
Can you look after Panda? Watch me, Gran Gran.
Oh.
I did it!
Woohoo! Well done, JoJo.
Gran Gran, I think the weather forecast was right. It's raining. The big slide is too wet and slippery now.
I think it's time for my Gran Gran Plan. When the weather forecast said it was going to rain, I packed your wellies and raincoat.
Thanks, Gran Gran.
So now we can have fun, whatever the weather, and splash in big puddles!